I finally put MCMC to the test. Today is day 14 of learning computational astrophysics, and I went further into how MCMC works in practice. The first thing I learned was how to check whether an MCMC chain is actually working. The acceptance rate tells me whether the chain is moving too easily or barely moving at all, while trace plots let me see how each parameter changes while the chain runs. I also looked at autocorrelation. Because neighboring samples in the chain are related, having thousands of samples doesn't necessarily mean I have thousands of independent pieces of information. Then I looked at some ways of making the sampling even more efficient. You can do this through adaptive metropolis, differential evolution, or Hamiltonian Monte Carlo. I mostly used MC and PyMC and then implemented Gibbs sampling on my own, where instead of updating everything at once, I sample each parameter from its conditional distribution one at a time. I then tried applying MCMC myself to a much harder 7-parameter problem, and this really showed me that things can get a bit tricky. You'll be able to see all of those in my Jupyter notebook. See you next time.